What's up, everybody? It's Arthur, DNA Realty Group, and here I am in David's studio. He's away, but nevertheless, the market updates have to continue. So we're coming to you live with another market update on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's gorgeous out. So here's what we have. Here's what's happened. Oh, and by the way, before I jump into it, I just saw David's video from 2 years ago, so I just want to say consistency is the key to everything, right? So every week we like to give you a market update in New Hampshire, and we like to give you a market update in Massachusetts. So for this week, there's 179 new listings in Rockingham County alone. 102 went under contract, and 162 homes sold, meaning they passed title, closed, finished, finito. So you could see not as many homes went contingent as new listings came on, which is actually a positive sign of a market that is changing. And also, you could compare that to the last 30 days to get a better picture. So if you look at the last 30 days, there's 354 active listings. 477 are contingent or under contract, and 488 homes almost sold. So you can see Rockingham County is hot. The market is pretty balanced in the last 30 days. It continues to be strong. As interest rates are on the rise, buyers are considering, hey, what happens if interest rates get to 6%? How much more buying power do I lose? And they're jumping in. And now let's jump into Mass. So here you can see the update from the state of Massachusetts. This is all of Massachusetts, right? So if you think about it, this gives you the big picture of what's going on in your state, regardless of the town you live in. But real estate is super local. So if you look at some of these local towns, you could see the shortage of inventory, like significantly. Some towns only have less than 5 single-family homes on the market. But let's jump into this. Here we have 81 active listings. That's 8,175 active listings. 8,818 are under contract, and 7,153 homes sold in the last 30 days. The good news, if you're a buyer, that's 7,153 other buyers that bought a home, right? So A, people are winning homes in this market, and B, every time somebody closes, that's one less buyer to compete with you. If you're a seller, it's still a great time to sell, but you could see what happened this week. New listings, we had 2,637 and 1,714 went under contract. Those that went under contract could have been listed the previous week, but this gives you a good snapshot of what's going on in the market. And 2,000 homes sold this week in Massachusetts, 2,002 per MLS, so you can see those numbers. If you're thinking about selling, I will tell you now is still a great time to sell. The reason is because in the short term, the buyer fear, the fear of missing out if interest rates go higher has caused the market to inch up. So if you do the right things like stage your home, do professional photography, hire the right realtor, negotiate aggressively, you're still going to get a great value. But also you can see by these stats the market is changing. So if you're thinking about selling soon, now would be the time. If you're a buyer, things are going to continue to get better for you, so stay optimistic. I know you might have lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses. I've heard stories of 30 houses, not on our team, but I've heard stories of buyers losing 30 houses. But stay optimistic. The market will change, and it's always a great time to buy real estate. Thanks for watching. And David, we got you covered.